The case management hearings happen before the advent of the trial so that all of the stuff related to the trial, the parties to the trial, the witnesses to the trial, the evidence to the trial, the evidence gathered by the police, and the pleas of the parties all gets aligned with the trial so that when the trial starts the time of the court shall not be wasted and all of the parties shall effectively and efficiently do with the mechanism of the trial so that the trial shall happen in the best possible manner. If a defendant is pleading not guilty and his case is going to be heard in the magistrate court, then at the time he enters his not guilty plea, the magistrate will generally hold a case management hearing, requiring the parties to identify the issues in the case. So the magistrate shall ask the parties what are the issues in the case, what are the issues that need to be resolved through their facts and evidences, and the witnesses to be called and which witnesses are to be called by the both parties. The time of the trial is likely to be then decided. Similarly, when a case is sent to the Crown Court for the trial, the Crown Court will hold a plea and the trial preparation hearing prior to the trial so that everything gets aligned with the trial. At that hearing, the defendant will enter his plea to the each charge on the indictment, that whether he pleads guilty or not guilty. If he pleads not guilty, the matter has to be tried and judge will hold a case management hearing. The purpose of these hearings is to ensure that by the time the trial arrives, the parties are fully prepared and ready to proceed and the time of the court not gets wasted and everything happens in the best possible manner in the most efficient and effective way so that justice be done as early as possible.